and welcome back to another video. If you're new here today, then hello and welcome. Thank you for joining this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe if you are enjoying my videos, and don't forget to leave those likes and those comments. They really help the channel out. Today's video is a bit of a different one because we've got a package. I was pretty excited when this turned up. This is from Zoze Gel Polish. She is absolutely amazing, must I say. She's UK based and she makes her own gel polish. She's got her own gel polish brand. Amazing. So I'm here to give this a little review, see how it goes, and let's see what's inside this box. So here we are, we've got our lovely box, and I'm so excited to open this up. This was very, very generously gifted from Zoze Gel Polish. Thank you so much. And we are here today to review, test, and see what's going on inside this box. So opening it up. Oh, thank you for your order. As I said, I did not order this. It was gifted. Thank you again. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Ripping it. Oh my days. How cute is that? We've got a sticker as well. It doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. So true. Don't stop. Keep doing what you're doing as long as you love it. That's all that matters. We'll put that there. And here is her little card. Zoze Gel Polish. I will also leave her Instagram down in the description, and I'll also leave it here on the screen. And yeah, go and check it out. I'm also going to show you the website quick. And here we are on the Zoze Gel Polish website. Here you can see that there is either shop all, or you can go down onto gel colours. I'm going to click on gel colours here. And just going through a couple, there's some really cute names to these polishes, like Leopard Spot, Clear Skies, Memories, and Tangerine. I really like it when companies name their products instead of just number them. It definitely makes it more personal. And also there are these amazing glitter gels, and I really like the look of this crystal blush one. And there's all of the details about it, about how much you get in the bottle, highly pigmented, long lasting, all that good stuff. And then this Starlight definitely caught my eye, and I was just like thinking, oh yes, that'll be good for a party and for Christmas also. And then going back onto the toolbar, you can see that you can get all the summer, spring, autumn and winter colour collections. So all of that is absolutely amazing. I'm just going to set this aside over here. And we've got some polishes. Oh, do I go for the polishes? Do I go for the... Oh, we'll go for this little one first. You've got great taste. Oh, let's open this up. Oh, we've got some little rhinestones. Multicoloured. Handy. Yeah, we'll definitely do something like that. In this video, I'm going to try and do something with everything that I've got in this box. And see what we end up with while we're testing things out. Next, I've got this. Looks like a light blue in the shade Magic Summer. Next, we have got this really nice pink, and that is in the shade Candy number 38. Also, I'm just going to add in right here that I'm still getting over a bit of a bug. So if my voice is a little bit raspy, that's the reason why. So I'm sorry for that. Next, we have a black I'm definitely in need of black all the time, all the time. And this one is called Black Magic in 102. I'm excited for that. I'm always needing black. And next we have, what happens to be a clear velvet top coat. And at the bottom, again, velvet top coat. Okay. Oh, and also we've got ourselves a nail file. Perfect. Right. So let's move all of this aside and we'll do some swatches first of all. Let's get into that. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be going in with some Black Magic and doing a swatch of that. And I'm just going to see how it plays out on just one coat. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds and we'll see how that turns out. And also I'm going to compare this with the black that I always use from Beetles, and to keep it fair I'm going to do one coat of the black on that too and cure it for 60 seconds, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison on those. As you know, I always use Beetles, and let's see. So we're seeing, this is the Beetles one, we're seeing a little bit of sheerness. This is one coat after all, so no shade thrown at all, but you know, 2 coats, it will be black. But Zoze gel polish, completely black with just one coat. I'm kind of shocked at how pigmented that black is. So also I want to try it out with the velvet top coat. So I'm just going to do same again, one swipe over, one coat, pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and there is that with the Zoze Magic Black and also the velvet top coat, and also to try it out with the Beetles matte top coat that I've always been using. I do know that with the Beetles you do need 2 coats to kind of get it a little bit matte. And there it is. It's pretty obvious who's won, and I'm shocked at how matte that is from one coat. I'm just shocked. So we're just going to move on from that, and we're going to go on to using Candy, which is that beautiful pink colour. And there it is in the bottle. And I'm just laying that down onto my swatch stick. And this is what it looks like after one coat. Very pretty. And this is it after 2 coats. And it's a super cute Barbie pink colour. And also the same with the blue. I'm going in and doing one coat here. So this is what it looks like on one coat, which is pretty normal for gels. They normally do need 2 coats, and there you are, the 2 coats have been laid, and they've all had some velvet top coat put down on them, and I really love how these ones turn out. I'm super impressed with that black. I'm kind of interested to see what the white's like, because you know, there's a lot of very wishy-washy whites out there. So going in and actually doing some nails now. I've done 2 coats of the blue, now going in with the pink, and I'm just laying down these circles all over the nail. Some of them are whole, some of them are half, just popping them down wherever, and I'm just going to fill the whole nail up doing that. And I'm also quite impressed of how the pigment is coming out on the nail, seeing as it's blue. Sometimes I do have to put white down first, then go in with the colour. I didn't do that this time, just to test this out, and it is showing up quite well, so I'm very impressed. So there we are, we've done all the circles on the nail, and then I'm going in and adding these little smiley faces to each one. Some of them are a little off-centered, so will the face be, so you only see a bit of the face showing here and there. And there's that complete. And I also went ahead and done it in pink also. and this one has little crosses in his eyes, and that one just has dots. So those are the first 2 nails for this set done. Next, I went in and done 2 coats of the blue again, and now we're putting down some pink. As I said, I'm only using the products that I had in this box, and I'm trying to use all of them. So obviously not this sponge, ignore the sponge, and the brushes that I'm using, but all the colours are from the box, and I also do use those rhinestones. So I've done a couple of coats of doing that technique with the sponge, and now going in with a fine detailing brush and black magic, I'm just lining across the nail. If you struggle with lining across the nail, like I do sometimes, start off halfway and then connect them up. It's definitely an easier way rather than committing to a full line. So if you start halfway, you feel like you have that little bit more control, rather than trying to make this really long straight line. So again, just finding my center place and going from there, and the same going upwards. Obviously, if this was attached to someone's actual hand, this will be a little bit of more of a challenge. You can start up by the cuticle and go halfway down the nail, stop, and then carry on. But obviously, if you're amazing at doing lines, then you have no problem here at all. So now, still with the black magic, I'm going in and filling in those squares, kind of like in a chessboard style. So every diagonal square will be coloured in black. I really am enjoying how pigmented this black is. Yeah, I would have had to have done this a couple of times with other blacks that I use. So now going in with those diamantes that came in the box, I'm sticking those down across all of the diagonal ways. And onto the next nail, I put down black magic, obviously just the once because that's all it needs. And now going in with candy and doing dots, and the same with the blue, going down and doing the dots between the pink dots. And the same on the other side. And then I went in again on the far sides of the nails and went in and done it again with the pink. And I'm surprised at how these colours are showing up over the black. I'm super happy. And there we are, now just putting on some top coat, and that will be the set finished. This was a duplicate nail, so I did 2 of these ones. And yeah, thank you so much for sending me this box, Zoze nail polish. I really, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with them. They're amazing. Keep doing what you're doing. And that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you've got any ideas for future videos. I've done it in the past where people have left comments down below and I've gotten back to them and I've done it. So if you've got any ideas, leave it down below and I'll get back to you. And as we're on this little talk, if you're enjoying these videos, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out. So let me know that you're here and you're watching and you're enjoying the content. And don't forget to also turn on that bell notification button so that you don't miss an upload. With all that said, happy creating. Bye bye.